Most people pick an auto repair shop based off convenience, but there's a possibility that you may end up getting unnecessary repairs or dealing with the wrong issue. Before you just trust anyone with your car, here's 5 questions you need to ask to make sure that you're in good hands. Are your technicians qualified? You wouldn't let an unlicensed doctor operate on you, right? The same goes for your car. Make sure the shop has highly trained technicians on almost all manufacturers to ensure they know every step of a repair for your vehicle. This guarantees they know what they're doing and allows you to have peace of mind. Do you offer a warranty on repairs? A quality shop stands by its work. Ask about their warranty. A reputable shop should give at least a 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty. For example, here, we offer a 24-month, 24,000-mile warranty. Do you provide a detailed estimate before work begins? Surprise charges? No thanks. A reputable shop will give you a clear and written estimate so you know exactly what you're paying for before they touch your car. What's your reputation like? Look for a shop with at least a 4.5-star rating and real customer feedback. These are real customers like you that want to ensure you have the best outcome when getting maintenance performed. Looking at it over our 5 locations, we have 2,000 plus 5-star ratings, and we're looking for 2001. How do you communicate with customers? A great shop keeps you in the loop. Ask if they provide text or digital updates or videos of your repairs. Transparency means no secrets, and you always know what's happening with your car. These 5 questions can save you thousands of dollars and give you a peace of mind in knowing your car is in the right hands. Ask the right questions and choose wisely.